are you doing, babe?
Sorry?
What are you doing? Hold on, babe. Hi guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a haul para sa inyo. If you have been watching the vlogs, you would know that we went to Melbourne and then Melbourne. Nakalimutan ko yung makeup ko. Lahat ng makeup ko nakalimutan ko. Even lipstick. Wala akong lipstick sa bag ko. So, I bought yung mga essentials na talaga. So, meron akong makeup, meron akong clothing from H&M. And then, meron din akong mga clothing na nabili ko before pa kami pumunta ng Melbourne. So, I have some stuff from Target, Temp, and then I got some stuff online as well from nakd.com and Gearbest. So, I will go ahead and show you guys. First off are the makeup items that I got from, I believe, Target. Yeah, Target. The first one is the, or maybe not Target, maybe Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, sorry. This is the W7 Banana Powder. There you go. Ito yung loose powder nila na obviously yellow siya kasi banana powder siya. Merong ganito si Roslyn and sabi niya maganda daw. So, I decided to pick this one up kasi gusto ko siyang bilhin but I don't really need it. Pero nung time na yon, I need makeup kasi nga naiwan ko lahat. So, yeah, I got this. And then, I also got the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. Ganon. This one is in the shade medium. Ito yung pinili ko kasi alam ko na maganda siya. I have used this before. Kaya lang hindi ko siya ni-repurchase kasi ang dami ko pang concealers na kailangan ko ubusin. But then again, I needed one. And that's what I have on my under eyes right now. Actually, I did not apply any foundation. Ano lang, ito lang under my eyes. Tapos dito and then on the bridge of my nose and then dito sa chin ko. And I also got a lip liner. Sabi ko, gusto ko ng lip liner kasi alam ko na yun yung pinakamura. Hinanap ko yung Essence because I know, again, mura lang siya. It's only $2 and I do not have this shade. Ito yung shade na Honeyberry. So, parang pink yung shade niya. Ganyan siya. So, ito yung lip product na suot ko the whole time I was in Melbourne kasi nga wala akong ibang dala. And then, the last makeup product that I got is the Rimmel Eyebrow Pencil. This one is in the shade 02 Hazel. Ito yung kinuha ko kasi ito yung pinakamura sa lahat. That one looks like that. I'm sorry for my nails kasi wala akong time na i-paint siya. Maybe tonight after filming this video. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got from Temp. So, ito yung nabili namin na Dan. One day na pumunta kami ng T3 Plaza. Yeah, T3 Plaza. It looks like this. I was looking for, kasi hanggang ngayon, naghahanap pa rin ako ng maraming, you know, clothes na masusuot ko sa work. So, this one looks like this. And this was actually on sale. From $19.95, it was only $9.50, $9.95, which is a good deal. And, yeah, blush. Parang blush yung shade niya. And then, this next one is from Temp. Ito, nabili ko siya when I went to the city with the girls last week pa. And ito siya. Actually, na-vlog ko to nung tinry ko siya. And I actually am planning to return this. Kaya lang wala na sa akin yung receipt. Kasi yung dito na part, malaki talaga siya. Pero, maybe I can make it work. It is $19.95. So, ano na siya, guys? Parang ganito, pants na skinny. Ganon. And then, I got some stuff from Target. I'm actually wearing the pants that I got from Target. It's from Danny Minogue. Yung petite section nila. Mahal siya, kaya lang I needed pants. So, and yun lang yung kasya sa akin. Yung from Danny Minogue. I think I got it for $40, but it's alright kasi I will use it all the time. And then I also got these shoes. Black lang siya na flats and meron siyang bow dyan. And yeah, I like it. And on to the H&M stuff. Yung pag-pronounce nila ng H dito, H. And sinasanay ko yung sarili ko na i-pronounce siya ng H. And also yung Z nila, yung Z sa alphabet. They say it as Z, not Z. So I always say R-A-Z-E-L for my name. Kasi yun yung kasi kapag nag-Z ako, parang minsan hindi naiintindihan ng iba. So like, yeah. Before kami nag-dinner kasama si Sis Joy Abaya, meron siyang YouTube channel, i-leave ko siya below. After namin nag-dinner, before kami nag-dinner, punta kami doon ni Dan tanghalian. Nakita ko na sobrang daming sale and we went in and then literally pagdating namin dun, sabi ng lalaki 5 minutes na lang, mag-close na kami. So, sobrang madalian. So, I got few stuff. Ito si Dan yung kumuha na to kasi daw gusto niya. And this one is on sale. It was $7.99 and I got it for only $5. So, ano lang siya, crop top na mayroong Brooklyn at saka New York. And then I got like just a regular tank top na parang $3 lang siya from 7 as well. And wala siya dito kasi nilabhan ko siya, ginamit ko siya when we were traveling back here in Adelaide from Melbourne. And then the next one that I got on that same trip is this kind of like a really thin parka. Is that what they call it? Parka? This was originally, you guys, this was originally $50. I only got it for $15. And it is this really nice, parang apricot na shade. Apricot, tama ba ako? Ewan ko. But yeah, meron siyang mga ganyan dyan sa gilid. It's actually really nice. Hindi siya pang winter, but like, you know, it's good enough for like, you know, cold summer nights, mga ganon. And then, we went back the day after that. Aalisan na kami maaga. Tapos sabi na Dan, hintayin na lang natin na mag-open yung H&M kasi mag-open sila 10 in the morning. And yeah, he was so nice kasi hinintay talaga namin na mag-open sila para makapag-shopping ako. Nakakaloka. So, I got a few more stuff in here. The first one is this. Ito ay galing sa teens section ng H&M. I'm so happy na nakahanap ako ng blazer na kasya sa akin. So, this is, yung size niya is US 10 to 11 years old, you know. Hindi siya naka-sale, pero I got it kasi I need it. So, it's $30 and ano lang siya guys, blazer lang siya na masusuot ko just in case, you know, lamigin ako. I also got then shorts. Ito, yung itsura niya. It was on sale as well, you guys. Originally, $35 and then we got it for only $15. That's a really good deal. And ganito na yung itsura niya. Maganda naman yung denim nila. Hindi nga lang niya bet yung dito, oh. Kasi hindi siya zipper. But it's alright. For $15. It's not bad at all. And then, I got this top right here. Maganda yung quality ng H&M. Tapos kapag nag-sale sila, like, you know, sale talaga, ang gaganda ng mga deals. This was originally $30 and I got it for only $10. And this top that I'm wearing right now, I got from H&M as well. And ito from the teens section. Para siya sa... No, kids actually. Para siya sa 10 years old. And kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. Yes, this is what I wore today. Yung mga binibili ko is yung mga ganito, guys. Yung mga button down. Kasi yun yung kailangan ko. This is $24 or $25. And then, nakasale siya ng $10 lang. And yeah, I like that one. The last one from H&M is this dress. This was actually a really good deal. This is originally $15 and I got it for $5 only. And it looks like this. Be your own kind of beautiful. I actually can wear this to work, like just put you know, blazer over it and then belt, black belt, and then, you know, black shoes. Gonna be good. And that is everything from there. Next up are the stuff that I got from NA/KD. The package came in this bag right here. Actually, it came in 2 packages. The first package came in this bag. Meron siyang bag talaga dito, kaya lang may address sa ibaba eh. But yeah, and then yung separate package came in this bag right here. So I got this parang wide leg. Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Yung wide sa baba na pants. This I can wear to work as well. It actually fits me, which is really good. Para siyang crop ng konti sa baba, but not bad at all. It actually looks fine para sa akin. I'm pretty sure some people will not like the way this looks, but personally, I like it. So, it just looks like that, and I really like the color. And then I got this. Pants din siya, kaya lang this one doesn't really fit me. This is in the size 32. Yeah, that's size 32. I don't really know kung anong country yung 32 na yan. Siguro ipapaano ko to. Parang, ano ba tawag dun? Ipapaayos ko siya para mag-fit siya sa akin. Kasi, you know, maganda siya. It just, hindi nga lang siya fit. Kaya hindi siya ganun kaganda tingnan sa akin. But it's nice. This, what do you call this? Coat. It's really big, you guys. I really like the color. Super long. And it's kind of like oversized. Actually, it's very oversized sa akin. I'm thinking of like getting it fixed as well. We'll see. It's already extra small, but still a bit like, you know, big. But maybe during the winter, hindi na siya ganun ka magiging malaki sa akin. Kasi meron akong mga thick jacket underneath, you know what I mean? So, we'll see. And then, I got this. Ano siya? Pantulog siya. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Looks like that. So sexy. The bottom. Wow. Look at that. So sexy. Wala lang, pantulog. Gusto ko lang nang may pantulog ako. And then I also got that parang very dark green na jumper na I wore sa Melbourne when we had dinner. Actually, I vlogged it. Nang kumain kami ng ramen noodle. That's from NAKD as well. This box right here, you guys, is from Gearbest. The white t-shirt that I wore, papunta kami ng Melbourne, yun is from Gearbest as well. Wala na siya dito kasi I washed it. So, Gearbest has this new collection. Ano siya? Zanstyle. Mga basics for men and women. So, for example, this one, just a basic white shirt. This one is in the size medium. I will actually give this to Marlon. This one is the size medium as well, just in gray. So Papi, or no, Marlon, yeah, Marlon can wear this. Is it medium? Yep. And then this next one is for my, or actually I can give this to my mom. It's size small and it just looks like that. So it's just a basic shirt and the quality is really good. Actually, yung hoodie na sinuot ni Dan is from Gearbest as well, from zanstyle, and he likes it. The quality is really good. Hindi siya like makapal siya pero hindi siya mainit. And then this next one looks like this. It's the size small. This is a woman's top and it just looks like that. Meron siyang mga buttons. This one right here, the material feels really nice. Like, malamig talaga yung material niya, guys. This is, in summer ngayon ha, mainit actually. This is in the size small. And it just looks like that. So, like mga basic shirts na you can wear around the house. Or just like what I did na I wore when we were traveling. So, I got this set. Actually, I have a selfie stick right here na I can connect with this tripod. This came with this set. So, this is what I use now when I vlog. So, ito na yung tripod na gamit ko. And then, if I want it to be, you know, longer, I can use the selfie stick that comes with it. Iko-connect ko lang yung selfie stick dito. Tapos, iko-connect ko yung camera sa selfie stick. So, mahaba na siya. And it's good if you're taking, you know, videos. It comes with a remote as well. And then this where you can, you know, put your phone. Ito, I actually do not know what this one is for. But yeah, we have that. And then we have this strap as well. And then the last thing I got from Gearbest is this tripod right here. I have been looking for, you know, kind of like the gorilla something thingy. This one is not that like gorilla pod that I'm looking for though. Na-realize ko siya nung na-receive ko siya. Hindi ito yung hinahanap ko. Hindi siya ganun ka sturdy para sa akin. It will basically do the same thing. Yung parang ano mo siya, you know, yan, mabibend mo siya ng ganyan and whatever you want. So, yan yung pinaka-tripod niya. And then, it comes with this as well where you can connect to your phone, obviously. This one, na I do not really know what this one is for. Sabi nila timer daw. Wait, let me... It is a timer of some sort. Like, I just cannot figure how to use this for now. Actually, merong instruction dito. I just do not have time to read everything. Like, kung paano siya gamitin. But I will check that out later on. Yeah, and it kind of makes that noise. See? Yeah. And that is everything for this haul, you guys. I will cook dinner. And kasi gabi na. It's almost 6:30. Hindi pa ako nakakapagluto ng dinner. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. And then it comes with this. Ay!